Hi all. Today we are going to discuss about the different types of hotels available for a traveler. So first of all, what is a hotel? Well, a hotel is a place where a bona fide traveler can receive food and shelter provided she or he is in a position to pay for it and is in a fit condition to be received. Therefore, a hotel must provide food and lodging to travelers on payment and has in turn the right to refuse admission if the traveler is drunk, disorderly, unkept, or is not in a position to pay for the services. Well, there are a variety of hotels available in the tourism industry, and it's impossible to categorize them under one term. Here is a list of hotels usually used in the tourism circuit, each with a specific purpose. There are airport hotel, boutique hotel, business hotel, destination hotel, deluxe, and so on. In this session, let's see the main features of a few of them. The first one is airport hotels. As the name suggests, these are located in the precincts of an airport, usually situated a distance away from the city. They cater mostly to transient airline passengers who may be catching another flight to complete their journey. They also have a 24-hour coffee shop for quick meals, and they provide an all-purpose convenience store and a few emporiums with local arts and crafts for passengers who really don't have time for city shopping. And they have a sound wake-up call services and perhaps a cyber cafe. The next one is boutique hotel. Boutique hotels is a term originating in North America to describe intimate, luxurious, and even quirky hotel environments. They differentiate themselves from other branded ones by providing personalized facilities and services. Boutique hotels, also known as design hotel or lifestyle hotel, they usually will have few rooms, about 30 to 100 rooms, and they survive competition by giving inspirational service. The next one is deluxe hotels. Deluxe hotels would normally have a minimum 5-star rating. These hotels are rated as deluxe as they would have decor and appointments of luxury. They would have every conceivable comfort built into the guest experience. Burj Al Arab in Dubai is an example for a deluxe hotel. Its rooms are fitted with remote control window sheets, gold-plated taps, and more. Destination hotel. It is a lodging whose inherent location and amenities attract visitors regardless of the route needed to reach it, as it gives spectacular views of the object of interest. These can be found at places such as near volcanoes or in the heart of a jungle. Rotels. These are double-decker buses where passengers sit on the ground floor and sleep on the second floor. Such buses are used for long cross-country tours covering 15 days or more. The second floor has tired berths fitted with bedside lamps and privacy curtains. Buses are fitted with bathrooms much like that found in an aeroplane and kitchens with a chef to cook their foods. The buses are fitted with heating and air conditioning facilities as well. The greatest benefit of such a travel is that guests don't have the hassle of packing and unpacking, as these will provide cupboards on board. Sanatoria. These are found in spas and other health resorts. The rooms are specifically equipped for therapy, including sauna and Turkish bath. Meals are personalized diet regimes for each guest. These hotels have proper dietitians, doctors, and medical arrangements. This is an ideal place for attaining physical fitness. Thank you.